Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem iTunes gift card on Android. Let's begin. Now, redeeming an iTunes gift card on Android device can be a bit tricky because iTunes primarily operates within the Apple ecosystem. However, for example, if you have an iTunes gift card and want to use an Android device, you typically need to redeem it through the Apple's services, and then those funds for purchases that are accessible on both platforms. For example, I'm planning to buy an Apple gift card, and the gift card you can use to shop it to App Store, the Apple TV, Apple Music, iTunes, and a lot more. All right. Now, I wanted to send it through an email. All I'm gonna do is choose, for example, this one, and choose an amount. After that, hover now to your Android device. Once you are on your Android device, I need you to type in how to redeem iTunes gift card on your Google browser or the search bar. And after that, hover down to where it says how to redeem your Apple gift card or App Store and iTunes gift card, because from here, what will happen is you will be directed to the iTunes website. Just wait for it to load. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is click on the redeem your gift card option right here. What will happen is you will be forwarded to another page where you just have to enter the gift card number. Unfortunately, if you encounter any errors such as this one and you tried several times that you can't log in, you might want to contact the Apple support. All right, and these are the channels that you can reach them, the numbers you can call. And from here, if you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you are having problems redeeming your iTunes gift card on your Android. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.